Aha! There he is. Hey you, stop there. Finally, I got him. Alright, let's see what we got in this bag. Wait, what? Where is that creature? And what's this piece of paper? Recipe for fried rice. Well, I guess we'll be making fried rice in this video. One of the reasons why I chose to make chow fan was because it was a very liked delicacy across southern China, and it has a use of eggs, which I like whisking. I know, I love the satisfaction of mixing egg liquor into other stuff. It just turns it yellow, and then it just makes it look fluffy and delicious and light. Also, I'm Chinese. Duh. Haven't you seen, my profile thumbnail? So, I've had a few experiences in making chow fan. I've had some problems throughout it. One was because I added too much salt, and it ended up tasting like salty fish or sardines. I don't know if that's salty or not. And then the next problem that I had was burning my vegetables. I eventually had to stop doing it for 7 minutes, and I had to shorten it a bit. Well, not a bit, like a few minutes. So let's see how making fried rice turns out. First, get some Spam. No, not those fake 90% off coupons. Green onions. 2 eggs. Ignore the salt, we won't be using it. 2 peas, or should I say, peas. Then, you're gonna want some soy sauce, and also have the rice. If you don't have rice, you're bonkers and crazy. Cause what's fried rice without rice? First, you're gonna add a little peas into a pot of water. Set the frozen peas aside until the ice that's between them melts. Warning, if you don't have frozen peas, skip this step. Then, using a strainer like I am, dump the pot that has the peas and water right on the strainer. Make sure the pot and strainer are above the dishwasher, or else you pour it and boom! Water splats on your surface. When you're done, add the peas into the vegetable pot. Then use some green onions. Then sprinkle a little green onions into the vegetable pot. Too much will overpower rice. Chop 1/5 of the Spam vertically and then horizontally. And slide your Spam into the vegetable pot. That's all we need. Then crack 2 eggs. Crack an egg, fella. And then you do the likewise obvious of cracking another egg. Then whisk and mix the eggs. And trust me, this is not the last time I'm saying this. Then pour a bowl of rice into the pot. What? Where did it go? But, man, I've got to capture that creature. Next, add the egg mix into your rice and mix. Oh my god, I hate saying mix so much. Just like the pancakes video. And you know what to do. Just mix it until it's light and fluffy and yellow. Then, set the oven heat to the starting point. Add corn oil, really little corn oil, when it's ready and hot. Spread it evenly so you cook evenly. That's a good skill in cooking. When it's hot, turn the oven heat to 4 and then dump the vegetable pot in. When you're done, stir and mix the vegetables for around 4 minutes. Just stirring again and again and again and again. Oh my god, I hate saying stirring. Oh, and make sure you actually do it for 3 minutes or it's still going to be raw. Then add the yellow rice into the pot and stir for 4 minutes. And if you like this video, make sure to click the subscribe button. In the last minute, add a bit of soy sauce around the pan. Then, after 1 minute, turn the heat setting to 0, like literally, stop it, and then serve it onto a plate or a platter or a bowl. So, what I'm thinking when making about this is, I hope it's not going to be too salty, because that's one of my main problems. The vegetable one, not so much, because I already know how it got burnt. And maybe I turned it too high, so remember that always turn it to only a 5 or a 4. And so the Spam I was using for this, it was a bit slippery, so it was hard to cooperate. And mixing the eggs into the rice, it took some work, but I managed to do it in the end. Okay, time to taste it. Rice is really good, so I would make this next time. And I like how the other ingredients, like the rice, and like add a compliment to the rice. So yeah, this was definitely very good. You should try this recipe at home. Just remember the oven settings. Only set it to 4, because if you set it to 7, oil will literally start bouncing at your face. Hot oil, and trust me, that really hurts.